And I've spent a life seeing children with devastating conditions where there simply wasn't a solution. What I find most exciting is that's changing. And now, instead of just being able to tell parents, we know what's wrong with your child, when they ask, what can you do about it, we have an answer.
Children's Medical Research Institute was founded 65 years ago as Australia's first paediatric research institute, the first research organisation in Australia solely devoted to children's health. So by focusing on inherited diseases and gene therapy and stem cells and on cancer, we're really addressing the major areas of unmet need for children. It's incredibly exciting to be part of an organisation that leads the nation in gene therapy research and has produced a world-first database that will help cancer clinicians choose the best treatment for cancer patients first time. As exciting as all of the developments are in gene therapy, we're really only at the beginning.
So the idea of gene therapy is relatively simple. It's the use of genes as medicine. So if a damaged gene is causing disease, if you could repair and replace it, then you could treat the disease. And some of the particularly memorable events in my life have been standing at the bedside when a child is getting a newly developed therapy. And an example of that was spinal muscular atrophy. So seeing a child that formerly would have been doomed to potentially pass away by the time they're 18 months or 2 years of age.
It's incredibly exciting to be at the point now where there are children who are running and jumping who otherwise would have perished without gene therapy. But behind every one of these diseases is a real human story of children who are seriously affected and the families who care for them. Children like Charlize and Teddy. It's a tremendous privilege to meet some of these children and their families and know that the research that we're doing is going to have a major impact. Our dream is to utilise this amazing technology to help as many children and their families as we possibly can. And we're just incredibly grateful for all the support we get from the community to help us on this journey.